Freelancing. Freelancing has become an increasingly popular way of working in recent years, particularly in the digital age. Freelancers are self-employed individuals who offer their services to clients on a project-by-project basis. This type of work offers flexibility and freedom to the freelancer, who can choose their own clients and projects, set their own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. One of the biggest benefits is the ability to have control over your own work schedule. Freelancers have the freedom to choose the projects they work on and the clients they work with. They can also set their own rates and choose the number of hours they want to work each day or week. This flexibility allows freelancers to create a work-life balance that suits them, which is particularly important for those who have other commitments such as caring for children or elderly family members. Another benefit is the ability to work from anywhere in the world. As long as you have a computer and an internet connection, you can work from home, a co-working space, or even a beach in Bali. This flexibility allows freelancers to travel and work at the same time, which is particularly appealing to those who love to explore new places. It also allows individuals to develop a diverse range of skills and experience. As freelancers work on different projects for different clients, they are constantly learning new things and expanding their skill set. This can be beneficial for those who want to develop their careers and gain experience in different areas. However, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is finding clients and maintaining a consistent income stream. Freelancers have to constantly market themselves and network with potential clients in order to secure new projects. They also have to manage their finances carefully, as their income can fluctuate from month to month. Another challenge is the lack of stability and security that comes with freelancing. Freelancers do not have the security of a regular paycheck or benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans. They also have to manage their own taxes and expenses, which can be complicated and time-consuming. Despite these challenges, it continues to be a popular way of working for many people. In fact, it is estimated that by 2027, freelancers will make up the majority of the U.S. workforce. It offers many benefits such as flexibility, freedom, and the ability to develop diverse skills and experience. However, it also comes with its own set of challenges, such as finding clients and managing finances. To succeed as a freelancer, it is important to have a strong work ethic, good time management skills, and the ability to market yourself effectively. Networking and building relationships with potential clients is also crucial, as is developing a niche area of expertise that sets you apart from others in your field. In conclusion, freelancing offers many benefits and can be a rewarding and fulfilling way of working. However, it is important to be aware of the challenges and to have a realistic understanding of what it takes to succeed as a freelancer. With the right skills, mindset, and approach, freelancing can offer a fulfilling and successful career path. Thank you for watching. If you want more new videos, like, comment and subscribe in this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends.